Looking for the perfect electric bike that blends speed, style, and performance? Whether you're commuting, cruising, or conquering the trails, today we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes. The isinwheel U1 is a compact, foldable electric bike equipped with a 500 watts motor. It features a removable battery that offers up to 25 miles of range on a single charge. The lightweight frame and quick fold design make it ideal for commuters with limited space. It includes dual disc brakes and a digital LCD display for speed, distance, and battery monitoring. The Funhang electric bike features a powerful 1,000-watt brushless motor paired with a removable battery, offering speeds up to 21.7 miles per hour and a riding range of up to 50 miles per charge, 26-inch tires, and a 21-speed gear system for flexible riding. The bike also includes a bright LCD display, integrated headlight, and front and rear disc brakes for safe, responsive stopping. The Jazzian EB5 is a commuter-friendly electric bike with a 350-watt brushless motor and a removable battery, providing a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles. It features front suspension for a smoother ride, 26-inch wheels, and a 7-speed gear system. The LCD display shows speed, distance, and battery level, while the bike's design focuses on everyday comfort, ease of use, and practical functionality. The Qlife Racer 750 watts is powered by a high-torque 750 watts motor and a removable battery. It delivers speeds up to 22 miles per hour with an estimated range up to 45 miles. The bike includes disc brakes, a front suspension fork, and 26-inch by 2.1-inch tires for improved stability and comfort. Built for high performance, this model comes with a 1,200-watt brushless motor and a removable battery. It reaches top speeds around 28 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 55 miles. The front suspension system absorbs shock for smoother off-road rides, and the disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. It features an LCD display, front light, and a durable frame that supports heavy use. So, what's your favorite? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Top Gear picks.